Right, today we're going to be cleaning this patio with this Turbo Devil surface cleaner. The main advantages of these cleaners is they can clean a larger area much more quickly and efficiently. It's got two nozzles underneath spinning on a swivel arm, and all the debris and all the dirt's contained underneath the unit as you're going along. So when you're using your surface cleaner, sometimes you might find if you end up with stripes like this, this is due to the nozzles not being inserted at the correct angle. So if the nozzles are pointing straight down, you will end up getting lines like this. So what you need to do is make sure your nozzles are pointing at an angle, and this will make the swivel rotate quicker, and you get more revolutions per minute, and it'll be much more effective at cleaning.